Welcome guys, today's recipe is very simple and very quick. This is a chicken soup recipe I love to cook, especially during the winter times. I'm gonna list all the ingredients and the measurement in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. Okay? So now let's get cooking. First we're gonna melt some butter in our hot pan. Just for a couple of seconds, and then add your onion and carrots, chopped onions and carrot, and fry that for about 2-3 minutes. Then we're going to add the celery to it and the sweet pepper. Fry for about 15 seconds, then add the chicken broth. Add more water if necessary. Altogether we're going to be using about 3 cups of liquid in this recipe. Cut already cooked chicken into little pieces. I'm using the chicken thigh, but you can also use the chicken breast if you prefer. I just prefer to use the thigh because it has more fat. Please don't forget to like this video and share to your family and friends. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't. I post recipe videos every Friday, so join us. This is optional, but I like to add some pasta to this chicken soup recipe. Sometimes I use potatoes, but today I just want to use the pasta. Next we add the chopped garlic, the chopped chicken, salt, black pepper, a bit of cayenne pepper. Make sure to taste your seasoning as you add them, especially if you're using chicken broth. Lastly, I added the lemon juice, some herbs, stir. Turn the heat down, cover, and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Now our pasta is ready. Doesn't it look so delicious? I like to serve it with some herb and a dollop of Greek yogurt. You can also use sour cream if you want. This is always my go-to soup during the winter period because it's quick, it's easy, and all the time I mostly have all the ingredients at home. So you can substitute with other kinds of herbs if you want. Don't forget to like and share this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye.